Fucking bang. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back at the swamp property to retrieve Falcon Ute as per your votes on the poll. Hopefully we'll do all right and not come across a big brown snake. UC Tirana, 1978. Still got the plates here. Got a sunroof in it, which is nice. So this artwork of a Mazda Ute, we can see that our big brown friend has been here. There's a couple of feet of its skin, small amount of what the snake was. Very carpeted dash by the looks of it. Looks like to be a HK Premier. All right, so the plan of attack will be clear a path through that section. We're gonna move some logs out of the way, reverse the trailer in to roughly around there somewhere, and we'll have to tow the back end of this Premier around out of the way. Going to be a bit of to and fro, but we'll see if we can make it happen. All right, I'll bring the car in. Woohoo! Now what? Basically roadworthy. Well, I might flip that around, roll it back onto its base. Oh. You ever got a stuck winch rope? Just wrap it around a few times and then just go opposite way, whatever it's stuck. So for me, it's back in. That, and it pulls out. Fucking bang. All right, so what I'm doing is jackknifing the trailer towards that tree so I can have it straighter to the winch, and then from the tree go through a D-shackle and then back towards the car so we can hopefully use the tree to pivot, pull the car out of the way. We've got a live one here, guys. Nice dash rat. All right, so we're going to try to pull it this way towards the trailer. Hopefully it will straighten up and then we can just skull drag it on like the VH did on the other episode. Check it out. Hello, Snaky. Where can we put it? Around here. Bug. Top looks okay, but yeah, there's rust all through the A-pillar, all through the roof here. Yeah, it's got axe marks all through it. Speed holes all along the side and all this rust along here. But yeah, there's a lot of good pieces on it. Plus it's got a free ironing board, so that's probably worth 20 bucks alone. That's a keeper. Might be stuck in the ground. Give it a bit of a pull with the car, if it loosens it up. About a 7-foot canvas right there. See? Start there, half of it there. Looking around, see all that junk. You voted for it, we retrieved it. Ford Falcon XM. There's not much of a car there, but it's going to be good for parts and it's always worth saving. Be sure to like, subscribe and turn your alerts on to the channel because I've been told it helps with the algorithm and get us off the ground. So do that please, and also at 1,000 subscribers we're going to do a fairly decent giveaway, so if you're not one of those subscribers, you're not in the draw. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, see you in the next video.